Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the VASAGLE Bookcase, a versatile 5-tier bookshelf that's perfect for toy storage, book organization, or displaying your favorite trinkets. This freestanding decorative storage unit, finished in a rustic brown, measures 27.6 inches long, 9.4 inches wide, and 62.6 inches high, making it a stylish and practical addition to any room. Unlike other freestanding shelves that tend to tip and wobble, this bookcase comes with an anti-tip kit to ensure it stays securely in place. The professional finish includes smoothly sealed edges and caps that conceal screw hardware, offering a worry-free and elegant look. Each shelf can hold up to 33 pounds, providing a sturdy stage for family photos, ornaments, and even your potted plants. Assembly is a breeze with labeled parts and clear instructions, allowing you to set it up easily in your study, living room, or bedroom. So, if you're looking for a reliable and stylish solution to your storage needs, the VASAGLE Bookcase is the perfect choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.